let's go and have a look at some problems involving sectors of circles. So in example 1, we've got a sector of a circle with A or B, and we're told that the radius is 25 centimeters and the sector area is 654.5 square centimeters. And this time we're asked to find the angle between A or B. So first of all, we can find out the area of the circle that this belongs to, so the full circle, and that is of course pi r squared. We know that r is 25, so pi r squared is pi times 25 squared, which is 1963.5 square centimeters. Now we have that, we can find the angle at the centre by using the ratio formula. So we got the area of the sector to the area of the circle is equal to the angle at the centre over 360. Okay, we've got the area of the sector and we have the area of the circle. Now we can find the angle by multiplying both sides by 360. Putting this into your calculator, what you'll get is 120 degrees. Example 2. A bit more complicated, but we'll see how we can approach this. Now we have effectively two sectors. We're given OAB, or AOB, and we're given COD. So we're given the lightly shaded sector here, and we've got the blue shaded sector here. And we're given the radius for both sectors. Find the area of the section shaded blue. So we're trying to find the area of the blue section. So there are a number of techniques, but the technique that we could use is if we know the area of the sector of COD, and we know the area of the sector AOB, we can subtract one from the other to get the blue shaded part, and that's what we'll do. So let's find the area of the sector AOB, so the smaller of the two here. Okay, again we've got the ratio of the area of the sector to the area of the full circle is equal to the angle at the centre, which is 63 degrees over 360. Do we have the area of the full circle? No, but we can calculate that because we've got the radius and we know the area is pi r squared. Therefore the radius is going to be 10, so it'll be pi times 10 squared, which is 314.16. We can multiply both sides by 314.16 to give us the area of the smaller sector here, which comes to 54.98 square centimeters. Now we can find the area of sector COD, so the larger of the sectors. Okay, so again we've got the same formula and it's the same centre angle because they share the centre angle. The only difference this time is that we've got a different radius. So the radius of the larger sector is 16 centimeters, so we can calculate the area of the circle that this belongs to, and it's going to be 804.25 centimeters squared. Now we can multiply both sides by 804.25 to get the area of that sector, which comes to 140.74 square centimeters. So we have two sector areas now, and what we can do to find out the blue shaded part is subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So this is going to be 140.74 minus 54.98, and that comes to 85.76 square centimeters. Okay, so have fun with those kinds of questions.